The decline of American manufacturing has been a concern for decades. Once a global leader, the U.S. has seen a decrease in manufacturing jobs and output, leading to economic challenges and national security concerns. The Trump administration aims to revive American manufacturing with high-tech factories and skilled workers. The goal is to create well-paying jobs that support families and boost the economy. Investing in advanced technologies and a skilled workforce is key. Addressing the skills gap is crucial for growth. Education and industry collaboration are essential. Skilled trades play a vital role in a thriving manufacturing sector. These trades, which include machinists, welders, electricians, and HVAC technicians, require specialized knowledge and hands-on experience. They are essential for operating and maintaining sophisticated machinery and ensuring quality control. Promoting apprenticeships and vocational training programs is crucial for creating a pipeline of qualified workers. CTE programs provide hands-on learning opportunities and exposure to real-world work environments. Changing perceptions and demonstrating the value of skilled trades is essential for attracting the next generation of workers. Career and Technical Education, or CTE, has emerged as a central component of the Trump administration's strategy for revitalizing American manufacturing. CTE programs offered at high schools, community colleges, and technical institutes provide students with industry-specific training and practical skills that prepare them for careers in various fields, including manufacturing. These programs often involve partnerships with local businesses and industry leaders, ensuring that the curriculum aligns with the demands of the job market. By combining classroom instruction with hands-on learning experiences, apprenticeships, and internships, CTE programs aim to bridge the gap between education and employment. The Trump administration has sought to expand access to CTE programs and increase funding for these initiatives. The goal is to provide more students with the opportunity to gain valuable skills and credentials that will lead to well-paying jobs in manufacturing and other in-demand sectors. However, CTE programs also face challenges. Funding limitations, outdated equipment, and a shortage of qualified instructors can hinder their effectiveness. Addressing these issues is crucial for ensuring that CTE programs can adequately prepare students for the demands of the modern workplace. Section 4. Bridging the skills gap. The skills gap poses a significant challenge to the Trump administration's manufacturing revival strategy. This gap refers to the mismatch between the skills employers need and the skills that workers possess. As manufacturing becomes increasingly automated and technologically advanced, the demand for workers with specialized skills in areas such as robotics, computer programming, and data analytics continues to grow. However, the education system has struggled to keep pace with these evolving needs. Many workers lack the necessary training and education to fill these high-skilled positions, creating a bottleneck for manufacturing growth. To address the skills gap, the Trump administration has promoted apprenticeships, vocational training programs, and industry-recognized certifications. These initiatives aim to provide workers with the specific skills and knowledge they need to succeed in in-demand manufacturing roles. However, bridging the skills gap requires a sustained effort from both the public and private sectors. Businesses need to invest in training and upskilling their existing workforce, while educational institutions must adapt their curricula to meet the evolving needs of the industry. Section 5. The challenge of automation. Automation, while increasing productivity and efficiency, poses a significant challenge to the Trump administration's manufacturing revival strategy. As robots and other automated systems become more sophisticated and affordable, they are increasingly replacing human workers in manufacturing facilities. This trend, while leading to lower production costs and increased output, also raises concerns about job displacement. Workers in routine, manual labor jobs are particularly vulnerable to automation, and their skills may become obsolete as technology advances. The Trump administration faces the challenge of finding ways to reskill and retrain workers who are displaced by automation. This requires investments in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to transition into new roles within the manufacturing sector or other industries. However, the rapid pace of technological advancement makes it difficult to predict which jobs will be most affected by automation and what skills will be in highest demand in the future. This uncertainty creates challenges for both workers and policymakers seeking to adapt to the changing nature of work. Section 6. Policy Considerations and Inconsistencies. The Trump administration's approach to reviving American manufacturing has been marked by a combination of policy initiatives, rhetorical emphasis on bringing back manufacturing jobs, and a focus on trade deals. One of the most significant policy levers used by the administration has been the imposition of tariffs on imported goods, particularly from China. The goal of these tariffs is to make American-made products more competitive by increasing the cost of imported goods. The administration argues that these tariffs are necessary to protect American jobs and industries from unfair competition. However, the use of tariffs has been met with mixed results and has drawn criticism from some economists and business leaders. While some domestic industries have benefited from the tariffs, others have experienced higher input costs and reduced access to foreign markets. The tariffs have also led to retaliatory measures from trading partners, escalating trade tensions, and creating uncertainty for businesses. Moreover, critics argue that tariffs alone are insufficient to address the underlying challenges facing American manufacturing, such as the skills gap, aging infrastructure, and the need for innovation. Section 7. Conclusion: A long road ahead. The Trump administration's efforts to revive American manufacturing represent a significant undertaking with both opportunities and challenges. The vision of a revitalized manufacturing sector characterized by high-tech factories and a skilled workforce holds the potential to boost the economy, create jobs, and enhance national competitiveness. However, realizing this vision requires a sustained and multifaceted approach that addresses the complex factors contributing to the decline of American manufacturing. Investing in education and training, particularly in CTE programs, is crucial for developing a pipeline of skilled workers who can meet the demands of modern manufacturing. Addressing the skills gap, fostering innovation, and creating a business environment that encourages investment in domestic manufacturing are also essential. The use of tariffs as a primary tool for reviving manufacturing has been met with mixed results and has generated debate about its long-term effectiveness. A more comprehensive approach that combines strategic trade policies with investments in education, infrastructure, and innovation is likely to be more successful in achieving a sustainable resurgence of American manufacturing. The road to revitalizing American manufacturing is long and complex, requiring a sustained commitment from policymakers, industry leaders, and educators to address the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead.